It may feel like a slap in the face, but there are reasons to be hopeful about the stock market in the coming weeks and months. In the early weeks of February, the market has been making progress, brushing off inflation and rate hike anxieties, as well as the threat of the Omicron. In early January, Tesla stock was trading around $1,200 per share, near to its all-time high of $1,230 per share. Wall Street, for one, appears to feel the company is worth 130 times the market's somewhat old profit prediction of $9 per share in 2022. The stock of Tesla is becoming more bullish on Wall Street, but experts' confidence hasn't been able to increase the price due to fears of higher interest rates. Is Tesla going to be as valuable as everyone believes it will be in the future? First, if this is your first visit to our Smart Stocks Academy channel, let me welcome you. And to be the first to know when a new video like this is released, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell next to it. Now let's get to the video. Mark Delaney, a Goldman Sachs analyst, raised his price objective for Tesla stock to $1,200 from $1,125 in January 22 while keeping a buy rating. Tesla was also deemed a top pick for 2022 by Delaney. Tesla stock is in the outperform category according to him, and it is the finest idea in the electric vehicle market. Tesla's dominant position in electric vehicles was also mentioned by Delaney, who added that worldwide electric vehicle adoption trends might help the company's sales. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has told his staff that he agrees with Cathie Wood-led ARK Innovation ETF that Tesla is worth $3,000 per share if they do well. Tesla's success has increased in our estimation, she stated, and the key reason for this is their market share. So rather than declining from the end of 2017 to the present, it has risen significantly. Despite the impending flood of electric vehicles from Ford, General Motors, and Toyota, renowned investor Cathie Wood remains positive on Tesla, one of her longtime favorites. Wood's price for Tesla, on the other hand, may appear exorbitant. Tesla is presently selling at $980 a share, and to meet that target price, it would have to increase by more than 200%. Tesla is expected to deliver between 5 and 10 million vehicles by 2025 according to ARK Invest. It also claims that Tesla will deliver a fully autonomous ride-hailing network dubbed Tesla Network that will generate a lot of revenue with a high profit margin. Musk emphasized ARK's new $3,000 price tag in an email to Tesla employees obtained by Electrek, and added that he agrees with ARK's analysis. A $3,000 stock price will indeed value Tesla at $3 trillion, making it the world's most valuable firm. With a market capitalization of over $1 trillion, the automaker is currently the most valuable automobile corporation in the world. Musk has made numerous comments about Tesla's stock price. When Tesla stock reached a new high last year, Musk told his Twitter followers that the stock price was too high IMO. Elon Musk and the Tesla board of directors have been sued by a shareholder who claims Musk's erratic tweets violate a settlement with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Tesla's market value dropped by more than $13 billion as a result of his remark. In September, ARK Invest sold less than half of its Tesla stock as the electric vehicle company's stock rose. It sold a total of 8,100 shares valued at around $5.76 million. However, as the price of Tesla shares continues to fall, Cathie Wood has gone on a purchasing binge. Tesla is still a top investment in several of Wood's widely watched innovation-focused exchange-traded funds. Tesla, for example, is the top holding in the firm's flagship ARK Innovation ETF, accounting for 10.49% of the ETF's assets. The new electric vehicles from the more established automakers, according to Wood, will only serve to justify Tesla's plan. Cathie also expressed optimism about the future market for electric vehicles in China. The market for Tesla is beginning to show signs of resurgence. Tesla shares were up by 3.1% on February 14, breaking a 2-day losing run in a reaction to a bullish report from investment banking Piper Sandler. According to StreetInsider.com, Piper Sandler decided to show some love to Tesla on Valentine's Day, reiterating its buy rating and upping its price objective to $1,350. According to Piper, Tesla is expected to create more cash in the future, implying that the stock is now worth more. According to Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley, the current landscape for electric vehicle is a race, and Tesla is winning it. Consider the EV race a marathon, he advised. At mile 21, Tesla has taken the lead. Everyone else is on their second mile or is still tying their shoes. According to Jonas, Tesla's recent record car deliveries are proof that the company's position would strengthen as the marathon goes. He raised his price estimate for the automaker's stock to $1,300 from $1,200 and forecasted around 2 million deliveries in 2022. Tesla delivered more than 936,000 vehicles last year and expects to double that number this year. Analysts' enthusiasm for Tesla shares has been based on the company's operational expertise. Tesla swung between suppliers during the epidemic, when traditional auto manufacturers suffered with chip shortages and supply chain bottlenecks, by updating its software to keep its factories running. It also expanded production by opening 2 additional manufacturing sites in Austin and Berlin. Tesla's bases in Shanghai and Fremont, California, will be bolstered by new facilities. As a result of these developments, the company will be able to increase its operational margins and scale in order to manufacture more vehicles. In several countries, including the United Kingdom and Norway, the company's vehicles are already among the best-selling vehicles. Tesla, on the other hand, has a long way to go before reaching these dizzying heights. The company is facing a number of potential challenges which we expect to play out in the future, but we have no doubt that Elon Musk will be able to overcome them. It will be fascinating to watch how they solve these issues. For one thing, even with the generous government incentives such as tax breaks for alternative technology, Tesla's cars are still too expensive. Tesla's Model S comes with a hefty price tag that starts at $94,990 before any incentives or discounts. Even Tesla's new lower-cost Model 3 costs $46,990 before tax, incentives, and gas savings, making it out of reach for most drivers. The cars are not just expensive for consumers to buy, but also for Tesla to manufacture. According to Vertical Group analyst Gordon Johnson, the company loses around $14,000 on each Model 3 vehicle sold in 2018, though these figures may improve as the company scales up. Another issue that could arise is if Tesla runs out of batteries. One of the first issues that Tesla executives faced was a shortage of batteries to power their devices. Tesla's world-famous Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada is still under construction and is expected to solve the company's battery crisis. With a planned footprint of more than 1.9 million square feet, the lithium-ion manufacturing plant will aid in the ramp-up of production to more than 500,000 Tesla cars per year. There are also more competition for electric vehicles. Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, Subaru, Ford, and BMW are among the companies that plan to enter the electric vehicle market in the coming years. If this happens, Tesla's market share could become congested. Some IT firms may also enter the fray. Apple believes it can compete with Tesla in the transportation market, and Google has made investments on the auto industry as well. Tesla is understandably concerned about companies with larger existing customer bases. Tesla still has a long way to go, but they are already miles ahead of the competition. You could be sitting on a lot of money if you possess a Tesla stock right now. So what do you think the price of Tesla stock will be in the future? Please leave your comments down below. And with that, today's video comes to an end. To express your love and support for this video, click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell next to it to be the first to know when a new video is posted. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and we hope you enjoyed yourself. We look forward to seeing you again soon.